good, y'all? Welcome to my kitchen. It's me, naturally Sydney, if you really must know. And today we have Rob Tannen of Signature Sudz.
What's good, you guys?
Welcome. What are we making today?
Today we are doing the natural laundry soap.
Yes. So
Yes.
if you have clothes, you need this.
You need to clean them. I hope you're cleaning them.
Signature Sudz began during one of the most uncertain times in our lives. It was 2020 and we were in the middle of the COVID-19 pandemic. We were actually running a laundry service at the time. So we needed laundry detergent, we needed bleach. And if you remember, the store shelves were completely empty. You couldn't find bleach anywhere. And we really had to figure out a way to keep our business afloat. And so we developed our laundry soap using natural ingredients that were non-toxic and eczema-friendly because we have kids with eczema.
Did you know? Our laundry soap has no artificial scents, just essential oils.
Step number one, we have our guar gum.
Okay. What is guar gum?
Guar gum comes from a plant. It's a guar bean. They take the bean, and they take the seed out of it, and they crush it. It's been used for years as a natural thickener. In soap making, it helps to bond the ingredients and keeps everything mixed together evenly. It's safe, plant-based, and it keeps our products vegan. Step number two, we have our washing soda.
Okay, washing soda versus baking soda.
Baking soda is a gentle cleaner. It softens your water, deodorizes your clothes, and boosts freshness. Using washing soda helps fight grease, break down stains, brightens your clothes, and boosts detergent power. Using washing soda and baking soda in cleaning is a great way to go, but both have their different strengths.
Number three is our soap base. Without our soap base, we can't do this.
Yeah.
So we use olive oil, coconut oil, and palm oil, and we use some potassium hydroxide to turn these oils into soap.
Okay.
So it cooks down for about an hour and a half, and then from there, you end up with this, which is kind of like a Vaseline type base. And as soon as you drop it in water, it dissolves.
And this is what makes soap, like,
Yes.
period. Ah, that's so cool.
Did you know the super secret soap base is used in most of Signature Sudz products? If you have the base, you can make anything. We will tell you how you can get your hands on some in a minute. So let's get ready to make some soap. Start with a decluttered, well-ventilated area. Put on your apron if you don't want to mess up the fit. And let's make sure we have everything we need. To make your laundry soap, you'll need filtered water, a small mixing bowl, your choice of container, essential oils, and a funnel.
Yeah.
So I do have a couple of questions about laundry soap, period. So I know all of your products are eczema friendly. So we know it's sensitive skin friendly. Is it okay for babies too?
Yes, it's okay for babies, pets, anybody in your family with sensitive skin.
Yeah.
But my daughter, she actually has eczema, so this was all created around her.
Yeah. This laundry soap, can I use it in a high efficiency washer? Or?
Yes, it's safe for all machines, including high efficiency washers as well.
And I could just pour this into the bowl or in whatever
So
cubby?
we always get that, but you can treat it just like you would treat any other laundry soap.
Okay.
Yeah, it's the same. There's nothing different other than it's better ingredients, better stuff for you.
Yeah.
Did you know? Our laundry soap works great in all types of washers, including high-efficiency machines.
We have figured
Situation.
everything out.
The mad scientist right here in his lab. How much do I need to use per load?
So I'm happy
Different.
you asked that. Like,
Yeah.
you don't need much. All you need is 2 ounces per load.
But we can go heavy if we want to.
If you want to, because you're going to keep coming back to me. So let's go ahead and do that.
Get your money. Okay. And can I replace it completely from store-bought? Like, this is all I need. I don't need anything else.
Absolutely. Like, you don't need anything else. This is all you need. And you can always aid it with our scent booster to boost the scent if you like that.
Yeah.
But you don't need much more other than our products.
Yeah. So laundry soap and scent booster if you're really funky, you know.
Yes.
I guess it's time to make it then.
Let's go.
Yeah?
First thing we're going to need some filtered water. We have to use filtered water.
Yeah.
Because you don't want anything to contaminate your laundry soap.
You don't know what's in that sink, what they putting in there, so
Don't do it.
yeah.
Trust me. We've been there. Don't do it.
So step number 1 is...
All right. You have a whisk right
I do
in
have
handy.
my whisk.
Yeah, so I'll let you go ahead and take care of this. 'Cause
Okay.
that way you can see how it works. You're
Gotcha.
going to go ahead and mix that in slowly. If you
Okay.
add too much, it'll clump up on you. And then you're done.
There's no soap making for you.
No.
All time. So am I using this whole container or?
It depends on your liking. I mean, if you like thick detergent, go ahead.
Oh,
But you
okay.
can go a little at a time.
All right.
And you'll see if you use it all, it's not too bad as well either.
Okay. And this is gonna like gradually thicken up.
Yes.
As I add it. And we want to make sure to get like all the clumps out of here.
Yes. You don't want to leave any of that whatsoever. It's gonna feel a little slimy. That's when you know you're right where you need to be.
And the washing soda and the soap base is going to thicken this up as well too.
Yes. So when you add the washing soda, it's going to thicken a little bit more. And then when you add the soap and that dissolves, it's going to thicken even a little bit more from there. So number 3.
The good stuff.
So with this one, you want to kind of like press it, make it a little bit flat. That way it makes it easier to dissolve.
After putting this soap base in and we're letting it dissolve, can we add the essential oils now? Or
Yes, you can add it
we
now.
can?
Yeah, that's not a big deal.
Okay.
Essential oils are my favorite part of our product. And obviously they provide scent and they make your house smell great. But there are a lot of cool benefits to essential oils that I want to share with y'all today. So let's jump into it.
Do you have a measurement of how much essential oils?
You want to do about 10 to 15 drops, not too much. Yeah.
10 drops is good enough for this amount that we're making here. Okay, perfect. All right, while we let this dissolve, let's go ahead and learn some more about this laundry soap.
Yes.
Yeah?
Let's go. So this is the foundation of what we do, but you can also use our scent booster, which is great to boost the scent of your detergent. We also have our stain fighter, and then we do dryer balls. So we have your whole laundry routine. And of course, you can shop for other products on our website as well.
You can shop on their website at signaturesudz.com, S-U-D-Z,
Yes.
right? Or you can do this on your own and get the subscription kit where you can make all of these products.
Our monthly subscription box is a great way to keep your house stocked on all your household essentials. We offer small, medium, and large boxes to fit any family size. If you prefer your products already made, you can still order those online at signaturesudz.com. We ship nationwide right to your front door.